So good morning, everyone. Welcome to this session where we're gonna explore the powerful tools that's shaping the futures of AI, the Copilot Studio. Through this session, we'll dive into the features, how it works, and the real world impacts it can have in across the various industry. So by end of this session, you will not only understand what the Copilot study is, but also how it can be applied for enhance the creativity, effects, efficiency, and collaborate in the workflow. So our topic is the Copilot Studio. So what does it do actually? So Copilot Studio combines the latest in advancements in the AI, including the generative AI, natural language processing, and the machine lang- machine learning to create systems that helps you to automate the tasks, generate the contents, and even to the collaborate with the others simultaneously. This means whether you are working in a text, image, code, or when in the complex project, Copilot Studio is there to assist at every stage. It's just like having a AI power assistance for all your creative and technical needs. Second slide, please. Second slide. So, what a Copilot Studio? Let's go deeper into the what actually it is. So, it's a combination of generative AI and natural language and learning. So, first we see the generative AI. It's a core features here. It enables the user to create a original context like a text, image, audio, video, and all through the AI-driven models. This is a great for the this platform. This gonna be great for the marketer, developers, and even for the educators who are interested to show the live works how it's show for the teaching purpose as well. They gonna easily implements on their educational platform as well. So natural language processing is an extend of the features that lets you to interact with the platform in a plain language. Things about like asking a Copilot Studio to drive in a mail or to analyze this in a data. You don't need to code it. You don't need to code it. Just you can ask it like your colleagues. You don't have to write whole codes. It's like a templates. You just use templates, or else you can just ask with that copilots how to use what we can implement. It automatically generates the machine language features, which helps the platform to adapt you what you need over the time and analyze your performance and making it better for the prediction and recommendation as you use it. Essentially, this is a platform built to understand and assist you no matter what the tasks you are working on it. Next slide, please.
Rahul, you can change the slides from your side.
Ready? Okay,
Try
okay.
changing. Yeah, you can change them,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
So, what's the features on the Copilot Studio is? Let's focus on the features. So, first thing is generative AI. So, what actually is it? It likes having a AI artist or writer or the analytics at your disposal. You can generate everything from the post to the unique visual and NLP. You can talk to the Copilot Studio just like you would have a colleagues, or which makes you very accessible even if you are not a technical users. If you don't have an idea related to the coding or related to the technical sides, you can also even create a Copilot studio of your own, just by asking the Copilot how to use, how to implement the automation. This tasks like data entry, content generation, or scheduling can be automated, free, freeing up your time to for the more creative works. Imagine just telling the platform to generate a report based on the data sets, or having it without the manually crossing the numbers. You don't have to worry about if you don't have any idea related to this. You just give the content what the topic you want to create. The Copilot will automatically generate for you, for your easy accessing or easy implementation. So personalized AI assistance, this is what you can work on it. The platform doesn't provide the generic helps. It learns from your behaviors, or over the times it gains a smarters, and giving you the recommendation based on the how it works. For example, if you are frequently create a contents for the marketing, Copilot will starts the tell, uh, telling it's the suggestion around the marketing tools and technicals you have to use before it. It's like having an AI personal AI coach that understands your workflow and help you to improve. This helps you to become a more productive, because the tools adapts to your preference and your styles. As you chats with the Copilot, whatever the communication you do, it just analyze your way of talking, way of communication, way of understanding, and with that analyze, it just give the output to you, which helps you to work on it as you are. So on the fifth slide, workspace. Now let's talk about the Copilot Studio makes collaboration easier. So this platform offers a real time collaboration features where the teams can work together on the projects. Think of it as a combining the power of AI with a virtual workspace. You can share your projects with the team members, track the changes with a version of a control, and make sure that everyone is on the same pages. Whether you are working with a remote team or collaborating with other across the different department, Copilot Studio make it extremely to the works together. So multimodal content creation, here where the things get really exciting. Copilot Studio allows you to multimodal content creation. This means you can work across the different formats such as the text, image, audio, video, and then all in a one platform. For example, you could write articles, you can generate supporting visuals, create a audio podcast, or edit the video, all without switching different tools. You can create just in a one platform. These kinds of flexibility is ideal for the content creators, designer, even for the educators who works with a multiple format. You are not limited on just one medium. You can have an entire creatives shoots at one fingertips. Just one platform, you can do lots of works just by one click. You don't have to worry about if you don't have any idea. you don't have any knowledge. uh, Copilot it's just like your colleagues, just like your friends. You just can communicate with the copilots. You can ask with the copilots how to create, how to do. It just simply it just help you to perform your the performance. So extreme seamless interaction with the tools. So let's discuss how the Copilot Studio integrates with the tools you already use it. So it seamless integrated with the popular platform just like Microsoft Office, Workspace, and Adobe's Creative Clouds, or and even data for the developers. This makes it incredibly easy to bring AI into your existing workflow. You don't need to switch from the between the different platforms or the lawn with the software. Copilot fits right into your current setups. For instance, you can just generate a draft in a Word, or refine the design in the Photoshops, or collaborate on the code in the GitHub, all while using the Copilot Studio AI capabilities. So the main thing is you don't have to switch, you don't have to use multiple platforms. Just just finish one works from the Microsoft Office, and then after we go in a Google Workspace, then Adobe Creative Clouds. You can simply just do all this kind of works in just one platform in Copilot Studio. There is all the features are available. You can just simply use them. So ethnicals and the responsible AI has a powerful AI is it is important to address the ethnical slides of the things, and Copilot Studio takes this a very seriously. And it means is it builds with a bias mitigations features with ensure that the AI generated contents is a fair and inclusive. Transparency is another key for the pillar, with the platform offering the clear explanation for it and AI-driven decisions. This helps to build a trust in the system. Just like it doesn't provide you the contents which is not relevant. It provides the contents which is already available, and making sure that it's a the content is provided is a valid and work on a flow. The when you make your own own copilots, it just asks you of do you have any sites, do you have any knowledge, do you have any uh, websites you want to integrate. If you don't have, then it automatically provides. You can just ask I don't, you can just say I don't have any idea related to this, what content I should apply for it, what are the websites I can integrate on it, or what are the links we can implement. Yeah, Copilot always ready to help, and it just provides its own with a valid ID. So the finally the data privacy and security prioritize means your information are handled with the almost the cares, and this slide is crucial because in the today's world, as we know, the responsible use of AI is a most priority. By ensuring the fairness and security, Copilot Studio is set to the high standard. So real world application, now where does the Copilot Studio fits on the real world? In the marketing purpose, you can use the Copilot Studio to generate content, creative ads, analyze the campaign's performance, and reach the specific audience audience and the tailored contents. In a marketing, you can use this Copilot. It can create their own content on post on creativity. It will implement for make you the works more faster, more easier, and more popular. So it provides the contents for advertising related to your company, related to your startups, related to what you are supposed to advertise, what things you wanna works on it. Just like I wanna advertise my, suppose that I have a stationery for the I have a stationery, just like things like I have a Natras company, and I wanna advertise my company throughout the social media platform. So I just go to the copilots and ask and give my give about the details related to my Natras company. Just like my company provides a pencil, pen, eraser, cutter, etc., etc. Just like you just provides what are the materials you are producing, how you provide the, if you don't have any idea how to what are your products you can implement on it, and what are the features you can include, you just simply ask to the Copilot. It just provide a specific content related to what should you do, what should not you have to do, what you can implement on it, so make a better benefits. It provide all kind of content and generate as per your need, as per your platform, as per your the shops needed for for to attract the market, to attract the peoples. It just provide a simple contents for better marketing. It also provides a strategy for the marketing. Just like if you don't have any idea related to marketing, you can just simply ask, just think like it's your colleague, just think like it's your buddy friends. You just simply you can just like say your well wisher. Simply you just can say it provides you relevance and valid as well as more productive content for advertising with an attractive image, attractive content, attractive user-friendly workflow. So the next is software development. It also so developers can use it to the code faster, create the documentation automatically, and even the debug the codes. So in the software development, Copilot is much friendly, much useful. Just like if you don't have if you are not belongs to technical backgrounds, simply you don't have any idea related to, but you thought that I just want to build this kinds of a software, this kinds of a phase, this kinds of development you want to do. So you just give your idea to the Copilot. It will simply analyze it and give the best output. Has you given the idea, it will just analyze and give the accurate relevance the idea for you. And also it generates the codes. You don't have to worry about that. It's generate the code and you just implement the code, run the code, and it automatically show the output, the software you actually want to build. The Copilot, the best point is what you think. The Copilot give the best out of the things you thought. It just it will makes a website for you. It can generate sites, it can generate pages for you, or the design for you. The overall all kinds of works it can do in a just single one platform. Copilot Studio provides the if you don't have idea related to the code, it gives the codes to you. Thus you just have to interact with the Copilot, and just gives, if you have any idea or if you don't have any idea, you can ask what kind of a software I can make, what kind of a application I can make. Just like if you have a sector like for the educational sites, marketing sites, or banking area, or like that, you just can talk with the copilots and just give idea. Or if you don't have, it will provide, and it will automatically generate the code as well, and you just have to run the code, that's it. So Copilot Studio works for all the things. So next, in education and the research, it assists the researchers by analyzing the data, helping the write paper, and even the producing the educational content. For the education and the research purpose, we can use the Copilot Studio as well. In Copilot Studio, if you are the researcher or you are thinking to go on a research sector in a specific topic, you just communicate with Copilot. It provides essential tools, essential content, essential image, essential sites for the more improvement, for the more efficient, for the more beneficial works on the education sector or a research sector. Just like has just things like you wanna teach someone's, or you just wanna content for the education. You just communicate with the Copilot. There is an option for chatting, as we all know. It's just simply chat with the Copilot. Give this ideas, give this topic related to what you wanna create, what you wanna ask, what you wanna implement. You just give your idea. Copilot automatically analyze your thoughts, your ideas, and it will give the best output as you ever think, I guess. So Copilot Studio provide the content for the education, or if you are working in a research program, or you wanna do some research as well, it just gives the topics to the Copilot, and it will automatically generates the content related to your research. Just like if you are doing the research on the AI, so you simply ask to the Copilot. It will generate, it will analyze, and it provides all the linked related to the AI. It provides content related to the AI. It provides the webs, how many websites, how many where should you go, where should you search, and what content you can implement on it. It just give whole overall all ideas related to your research works. Simply you can just for if you know publish your research paper or research works, you just ask with him. You just if you have it, you just ask with him. It will analyze and provides the accurate answer. Can publish this or not. The provided content is valid, or you just need to improvement on it. It just you just ask. And if you have written already, you have written any research content, you just simply paste on it. It will analyze and provide what the mistake you did, what you can learn from it, what you can add or you can subtract. It's just give all everything for the betterments, for the more productive of your research works. It just provides all kinds of things. So, what's the future scopes related to the Copilot? As I think Copilot is the future of AI. This thing, Copilot Studio continue for the. So yeah. So sorry for the delay. Copilot Studio is continuously increasing its efficiency, continuously developing, continuously evolving. It is expected to integrate with the even more tools and bring the more advanced AI capability. So the Copilot Studio is working on it. Copilot Studio advanced large language model. you can just simply you can works for your daily life purpose as well. If you nowadays people are also just talking as a casual as a such simple friends to improve their language, or if you're feeling all lonely, then makes many peoples are also doing like that. The simple communication they are doing to improve their communication, and for any kinds of if topics, if you don't have any friends, you just can talks related to any kinds of topics. Copilot is always ready for that. It's a Copilot has high capacity and capabilities to related to the content for just like it's huge is a huge works on it, the advanced AI. It's on the research workers of a Copilot is working on it for the making more and more productive to the Copilot. They are working on it, and simply you just can use the Copilot for your real time works as well, daily life purpose as well. uh, if you need any kinds of help, you just ask the hello Copilots, I need this kinds of help. It will just give the answer. What should I do if you are in a dilemma? You don't have any idea of which direction you want to go, which path is better for you. Copilot give you the best and give you the best output related to what you should choose, which direction you wanna go, which path, or what should you to learn for for the sharpening your knowledge. It help you to do on a tasks. Or Copilot also teaches you if you need any kinds of uh, study related purpose. It provides you the valid content. It helps you to gain the knowledge. It helps in learning, teaching, and in marketing, or any kinds of tasks. Just in a one platform you can do whole the works in a one flow. So expanding integration is a wide range of tools and a platform in anti participatory. So just things like the the Copilot is a platform where the lots of tools are integrating nowadays. It's a competition era, so there is lots of AI's model as well. For Google there is a Gemini, for OpenAI, that's chat gpt, and lots of they are available. But Copilot is one of the best ever I've seen. It provides the best relevant, just integrating the tools like you can there is lots of content, lots of platform. Copilot is integrating all the tools which will beneficial for the users. They're integrating all kinds of tools, all kinds of contents, websites, or any sort of things. They are integrating overall for the better answering, for the better providing the content to the users. If you need any sort of ideas, or any sort of things you want to do, they just analyze your question and just pull it out from other side, other the tools which is the best for you, and they just analyze and provide you the contents, provide you the sites, provide you related to that. It just give the output to you. So personalized, the platform also keeps refining the personalized features, ensuring that every users get a tailored experience. If you don't have any idea, if you are just a new user, that's okay. The Copilot help give the best and help you to gain the more than you thought, more than you want to work on it. Copilot is personalized. You just think like it's your buddy. You just talks and just do lots of works in a one way, or in a one platforms.
Hey, Rahul, is there a demo that you'd like to do, or is that it? Hello, hello, Rahul.
Yeah.
Is there a demo that you would like to do, or is that it?
Uh, I just want to show.
Yeah. So please present it to this
Can I
to
show
us.
my
I'll
screen?
share. Yeah, you can do. You can please go forward. I'll
Okay.
present it.
So is it visible?
No, it's not visible yet. You have to present again. Okay,
Yeah,
wait.
it is visible now.
Yeah, it's visible now. Please go on.
Okay, okay. So this is Copilot Studio. If you want to create your own Copilots, you can you just can come to the copilotstudio.microscope.com, where you can create your own Copilot. Simply just have to click on the create option, and there is given lots of templates, as you can see, the for the safe travel, for the question answer, and for the team navigator, for storage operation, for sustainability, for the weather, and these are upcoming, these are on the workflow. If you want to use the templates, you can use the templates, or if you want to create your own templates, you just can simply click on the new copilot, where you can create your own. Just I go to this new one, and it will ask what kind of a copilots you wanna use for it. They're asking the hi here help you to this, and previous for the sentence how what copilot. So if you want to create your own copilots, what kind of a works it will do, what contents it will provide, what kind of copilots you are creating for it. It just simply I have to provide the question, just give to the answer, and it will analyze, and after that you can just create on good by creating good going to the create section, it will just like things. And I create my own. It will just analyze. Okay, so if you wanna provides any additional, it just asks if you have any additional things you wanna implements you wanna add on it, you can just provide. For the simple example, I'm just skipping this. If you need, you can just give your all the set of ideas, all set of any tools or any features you wanna add. You just simply can add on it. It just asks, it's just like a friends, they gonna ask you, you can provide all you need just simply on a create section. It will take a while. So here your copilot is ready. It just asks name, sort of name you can give to your copilot, your own copilot. So it's already available market. assistants. If you can you if you need to add your own name, you can just, or else you can leave it. So your copilot is ready. Here you can see, hello, I'm a market assistant, a virtual assistant. Just so you are, I sometimes use AI to answer the question. If you provide the website during the creation, try asking me about it, and next try to this. Your copilot is ready now. I just provided that, I need to create a copilot related to marketing adding propose. So my copilot is related to the marketing and adding propose, adding sites. You can simply just ask any things related to marketing or advertise. It just provides you the answer. It, just see, it's your own copilot. It just asks that I need some idea related to advertising purpose. It just simply provided the content. You can use the social media campaigns just for Facebooks and Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube ads, or you can use the search engine marketing, content marketing blogs, and this email marketing newsletter, etc., etc., like this. You can just ask related to a marketing purpose, any kinds of question you just ask, it will provide. It's your own copilot. You can just publish it as well. Others users can use, or you can share with your friends, just like I place on it, will publish. It just take a while for publishing. So Copilot is based, if you don't have a technique, you are not belonging to the technical background. If you don't have any idea related to technicals, or you wanna create your own, you just on a startup, you can simply use the Copilot Studio as well for your working purpose. It gives you the easiest platform for making it. So you can see my Copilot Studio has been published. So your if you share with anyone, they can use. It's on a public. You can just simply ask any kinds of question related to that. It's just give you the answer regarding their questions, regarding queries. This is the home page. It's look like this. I have just created all these marketing assistants, chat buddy, and like this. For the travel, if you want to create your copilots related to, if just think like, if you have a business related to the say travel, you can create your own copilots, and just pull it, and just add on your website, and add on your sites, where users can use of it for for the for the traveling purpose. They can ask any kind of sort of a question. It will provide the answer, and the tag will be yours. So you can create your own copilot related to a question answer. For the team navigators, for the storage operation, if you have a storage, you can create your own storage, own copilot related to your storage operation. Simply, users can ask a question, it gives answer as per your storage. It just analyze your storage. It just asks something, some really details regarding your storage. What are the sort of things you have? What are the terms and conditions? What are the tries, etc., etc. You can just provide the details, and it will simply create. In templates, you don't have to provide lots of details, lots of tools. It's a template you just can use on it for the weather and sustainability. Your you can, if you need any resources for the learning, you can just use of it. For the quick starts, for the documentation, you need any document related to it, you can just go through it. Responsible AI answer question, any sort of things, for the learning purpose you can use. And for creating, you just go and create. If you need the templates, you can just use this. And if you create your own, you can. And the Copilot, where the you have created, you can see on the Copilot section. And the libraries, there is library, what are the libraries you can use of it. As in the slides I have talked about this. So the libraries like Asana, Copilot, Data 8, Document Science, and Facetix, or GitHubs, or Google Drive, Google Docs, Literally as MSN with others, lots and lots of Johos, mails, and the Sorbet Monkey. All these are library you can your of which you are creating your own copilots. You can use all these libraries, or if you add something new libraries, you can just press and click, and just you can add if you need any extra libraries. That's it. These are the power. You can simply use these features for the Power App, Auto Power Automates, Power BI on your own copilots.